Hey everyone, it's that Math Magician. On this video, we're going to take this shape here made up of 3 different algebra tiles, and we're going to want to find 2 different things here. We're going to want to find the area of this shape, and we're also going to want to come up with the perimeter. So let's start off with the area because that tends to be the easier one to do. Remember, area is just talking about what algebra tiles we have. Well, we have our big purple square here. That is our y squared tile, followed by our blue square, which is our x squared tile. And last but not least, we have our unit tile. This is the area of this shape here. It's made up of y squared plus x squared plus 1. There you go. We have our area. Now we need to move on to the perimeter, and that's where it's going to get a little tricky for us, but we can definitely do it. Make sure you have your algebra tile kit next to you because that definitely helps you when doing these problems. What we want to do is we want to first label all the sides for this perimeter. Remember, perimeter is adding up all the exterior sides. I do not care about these interior sides there. All right, let's go ahead and do that. This is our y squared tile. We know that all the sides around that are going to be y. Same with our x squared tile. This side is going to be an x. This side is going to be an x. I do not care about that side right here, because that side in there is not going to count for perimeter. Move on to our unit tile here, where we know that all of these going around are going to be 1s. Again, not caring about that side inside because it doesn't matter for perimeter. Now notice that we are left with these 2 side lengths right here. These 2 side lengths are made up of larger sides where we're taking away part of that side. We'll start with this large side here. We know that this large side here is y, and I'll go ahead and write that right here. I'm going to have to put a little arrow so we can have more space. We know that the entire length is y, but I am taking away part of that side. I'm actually taking away the distance of this x squared tile. So I'm taking all of y, but I'm subtracting out x. And this is always the trickier questions, is when we have to find the part of the side where we're taking away a whole portion of it. This whole thing is y, but I'm taking away x to be left with this portion here. Same thing is going to be for this part as well. The entire distance here is x, but I'm taking away that unit tile there. That's why that side length is x minus 1. For perimeter now, we just need to write out all of our sides adding up. I'm going to start with y, and we'll start here. I'll hold my finger here so we know where we started. Y plus another y plus x plus another x plus, we got 3 1s here, plus our funky side there, which is x minus 1, and our other funky side there, which is y minus x. Let's go through now and let's combine our like terms. Let's start with our y's. I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 y tile lengths there for the perimeter. So I'm going to write 4y. Next, let's move on to our x's. And I hope we can see we definitely have an x and an x there. There's the plus x and the plus x. But we also have a third x tile right there, which is part of this side. Remember, it was the whole x tile, but we took away 1. That's why it was x minus 1. So right now I'm sitting at 3 x tiles, but I am subtracting an x away. Remember, we are subtracting an x for that length there. So if I have x plus x, which is 3 x's, but then I need to take away one of those x's, I'm only left with 2 x tiles because these are effectively going to cancel out, leaving us with just 2 x tiles there. All right, last but not least, let's do our unit tiles. We have 1 unit tile, 2 unit tiles, 3 unit tiles, but don't forget, we got to subtract 1 for this side as well. So that actually cancels out one of those unit tiles to leave us with just plus 2. And that is our final perimeter for this shape created by those 3 algebra tiles. Okay, our area is y squared plus x squared plus 1, the 3 tiles we used. Perimeter ended up actually simplifying pretty nicely to just 4y plus 2x plus 2. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.